In movies, we often see the hero shoot a rocket out of the air, causing it to explode and kill the bad guy, while the hero walks away without a scratch. But could that really happen? To find out, the Mythbusters needed to test the speed of both the bullet and the rocket. Then, by firing them from opposite directions 80 feet apart, they could calculate exactly where the explosion would happen. At the test range, they set up an 80-foot wall made of wooden boards marked with measurement lines. Grant rigged up a simple timer. When a bullet was fired, it pierced a sheet of foil, starting the clock. When the bullet struck a target 20 or 40 feet away, the clock would stop. To keep things authentic, they even used the same model handgun from the movie. At 20 feet, Tori measured a bullet travel time of 22 milliseconds. At 40 feet, Grant clocked it at 42 milliseconds. Using the same method, they measured the rocket's travel times, 43 milliseconds at 20 feet and 83.6 milliseconds at 40 feet. Plugging these numbers into their calculations, they determined that the rocket would be hit and explode at about the 64-foot mark, just 16 feet away from the bad guy. But here's the catch. Experts explained that rockets have a minimum arming distance of 60 feet, which means that even if a bullet did hit the rocket before that point, it simply wouldn't explode. In other words, what we see in the movies is basically impossible, but Grant wasn't ready to let it go. He wanted to know, if an explosion really did go off 16 feet away, would it actually hurt the bad guy? To test this, they set up the rocket launcher 60 feet behind a dummy bad guy, equipped the dummy with pressure sensors, and placed another dummy holding a gun nearby. With everything ready, they fired the rocket again from the safety of a blast shelter. The result? To everyone's surprise, the explosion didn't harm the bad guy at all. Instead, a stream of molten fragments nearly hit the gunman dummy standing nearby. So even if a bullet could detonate a rocket midair, it wouldn't actually take out the bad guy the way Hollywood makes it look.